To set up your two-factor authentication through Microsoft Office and Outlook email, you click the link to open your sign-ins. Once you've done that, you are now able to add a method. So you can choose which method you would like, an authenticator app, your phone, an alternate phone, or your office phone. Because I have my phone right here and it's usually with me wherever I go, I'm going to choose my phone today. So I click that, I choose to add. Now I need to include my phone number, and it's going to text a code instead of call me. So I click next. And it just sent me a code, so I have to get my phone, find the message, and put that code into this window. Once you've entered the code, you can click next. And it says done. Now, if you would like to add another method, you can choose an authenticator app. You could use an alternate phone or office phone. I'm assuming that would be similar to the cell phone. So that is our security info.